It's never too early
We want to make money with what we're doing.
to start talking about finances and how to build a business.
The next thing we need to worry about is our social impact.
From engagement to community relations, these George Washington High School social studies students and their company imitate a real company, because this
We have to draft a report.
is a real company. In the middle of their weekly work session, just like any business, these students share a vision. Sure, there's the profit side of things.
And I think that's kind of what we're trying to do.
This class is part of a year-long program called The Fire Within,
What are we trying to do?
Trying to get them help.
training Colorado students how to be advocates. Later on in the year, students connect that meaningful training with their meaningful business.
Actual program where you can create a sustainable business that continues to help other people and students. That's just important to me because I can actually see the effect in place.